Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on your Wi-Fi on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So if you want to know how to turn on and turn off Wi-Fi on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, then I'll show you how to do this. So there are two ways. The first way is by using the notification bar here and then finding the Wi-Fi icon here. Tap on it and this will turn off Wi-Fi. If you tap on it again, this will turn on the Wi-Fi and it'll connect to a Wi-Fi which it was connected to previously. Now the second way of turning on and turning off Wi-Fi is going into settings. From here you want to go ahead and find Wi-Fi, and now from here at the top of the page find Wi-Fi and go ahead and turn this switch off. Now once you do this, this will turn off Wi-Fi. If you toggle it to the right, it'll then turn it back on. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on and turn off Wi-Fi on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.